A day in my life. Charot. Today, it's February 14, 2026. It's already 5:30 in the morning. So makikipag-date tayo today. Since today it's Valentine's Day, look at my outfit. Wearing this plain white polo and black pants with black shoes. So tara, abangan nyo kung saan tayo makikipag-date at sino yung kadate natin today. Hindi ko na kaya. So nandito na tayo sa dating place natin. So ayun, tapos na yung ating date. Grabe. Hindi lang ako pinagpawisan. Nakalimutan ko rin huminga dahil sa sobrang kaba. So ayun mga kabanal, nandito na tayo sa bahay.